All right, this is my pair for next week. Code. Just gonna be having a confirmation for next week. So I wanna, I want the market opening to see where the market direction is going. But for me, I like to do some swing setup, like having a break here. Once I have like that a break and then kind of higher low, look for an entry to continue to go up. Um, Silver, same thing as well. Um, if price action give me kind of a move like breaking here and then look for higher low, a lower high, and then continue to go down. Or if the price give me a break and then look for a higher low, look for an entry here to continue to go up. But yeah, we might gonna be let's see if what's the news for next week. So yeah, I'm just gonna see the market price action. Euro CHF. I like this trade. Um, you have the big push, lower high. We're in the middle move of the weekly time frame. All we need to do is catch that little move probably here. Daily is bearish right now. I like this lower high, lower low. All we need to wait is potential lower high of the daily. So the 4 hour have retest, and then on the retest here, we're gonna look for shift structure, bullish move on the lower time frame, shift bearish, and then we'll take a trade on that. Got CHF. Um, Weekly is bearish. I like the bearish move on um, the week closure. Daily is bearish. Um, I need the daily lower high and then 4 hour lower high as well. Same thing with Euro CHF trade, GBP CHF. I like the weekly time frame closing. Sorry, this one here. I don't like this one here on the weekly closure because this might be like potential like grabbing, filling this gap, and then continue to go up. But yeah, we're um, I want the let's say here on the daily time frame to be have that confirmed. Probably we might just gonna catch the little move of the daily time frame 4 hour. So I need the that lower high and then lower high. We're gonna look for bearish something like or 1 hour bearish engulfing around that area, and then put our stop loss kind of something like that, and then having probably 3 RR or 2.5 RR. But so far, GBP CHF is valid trade for bearish movement. NZD JPY, same thing as well. I like the having a reaction around this area, but the recent price was closing bullish rejection daily. I like the daily. Have that daily week pullback. 4 hour is bearish. So all we need to wait is kind of retest, then continue to go down, right? Because the 1 hour have a shift. So I need something like a pullback or something like accumulation here. Something accumulation, then bearish engulfing, then we'll take the trade on the right session. AUD we have a reaction here on the resistance area of interest, like the bearish um, closure. Daily is bearish now. 4 hour is bearish. I want this one like to have a 4 hour lower high and then retesting the neckline of the double top formation, and then look for an entry. AUD JPY, same thing as well. Counter trade setup. We have the bearish move on the bearish rejection on the higher high of the um, weekly time frame. Daily is bearish. I like this rejection on the area of support and resistance. 4 hour, 4 hour. We need some confirmation like clear 1 hour shift, clear 1 hour SOS, then bearish engulfing. AUD, USD, the same move. We're catching the weekly move of the weekly time frame retracement to continue to go up, something like this. But we're gonna catch the higher low of the weekly time frame. Daily bearish, um, like the rejection here. 4 hour, 4 hour. We need the same thing. 1 hour. Clear shape of structure. Same thing with AUD, JPY, GBP, USD. The same thing as well. Um, the only downside is the daily, weekly closing bullish, but the daily is having a clear rejection. Um, we need more confirmation. If the 4 hour give us like clear here shift and then pull back on the lower time frame bullish shift bearish, then am I gonna be entering or interested in this pair? USD CHF, bearish rejection, daily is bearish. Um, if you could count this lower high, lower low, we're in the range. I need a 4 hour clear of shift, like shift, pull back on the lower high. We're gonna look for entry. USD CAD, USD CAD. I like still the weekly move. We're in the middle. All I need is like weekly week pullback. Daily is bullish. I need the retest and the retest. We're gonna look for a higher low of the 4 hour and a higher low. We're gonna look for shift and then bullish engulfing on that. GBP NZD. This is the counter trade setup still. Um, we're on the range, but we like this candlestick closing bullish because we're like rejecting this area of interest. Weekly EMA, daily turn bullish. I need the 4 hour kind of clear break here, and then higher low on the higher low. We're gonna look for shift bullish engulfing, and then take the trade. NZD CHF, like this one way better a lot than GBP NZD. Daily bearish 4 hour. We need the lower high to taking that trade. Euro HUF exotic pair, weekly bearish, um, daily bearish, lower high and the lower high 4 hour. And look for retest and then retest. Look for a shift of structure or something like bearish engulfing around this area or key zone, key level. Got GPY, pretty nice weekly rejection. Daily bearish, 4 hour, 4 hour is bearish. We need something like retest and then bearish engulfing. GBP AUD, counter trade setup, weekly lower high, lower low. Daily is bullish. We have shift 4 hour bullish. I need the 4 hour higher low or something like the same with GBP NZD breaking and then higher low point of the 4 hour, then taking the trade. Euro AD, Euro AUD counter trade setup. Same move for GBP NZD, GBP AUD, Euro NZD. Weekly have slowing down. We have this rejection, so we're kind of expecting that this one will have a lower high and then continue to go down. But on the lower high, potential lower high of the weekly time frame, we're kind of seeking an opportunity for counter trade setup. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is kind of bullish right now. All we need to wait is kind of the higher low or bullish engulfing. Same thing around here. So 1 hour kind of bullish engulfing, something like that here. So we'll take the trade something like that. something like this. Or if the price action came back way more better and then bullish engulfing, so we could have a great or better high risk reward setup. So this one weekly, kind of we're on the support area of interest. Daily is still bullish. Um, whatever price action, if the 4 hour break, look for higher low entry area or retest if I have a better clear entry. But this one is a high risk trade. Um, NZD, CAD, same thing. Um, weekly is bullish. Daily needs something um, um, like something like a rejection. 4 hour, not really good, not really clean. So kind of just like looking or whatever market give us a better opportunity or yeah, but this one is not the priority one. USD HU up, weekly bearish, daily bearish, but we need a 4 hour clear shape of structure. So yeah, that will be my next week pair. So hopefully we could catch once again. Last week we caught like 10 pair played out. So I believe if you are catching like 2 to 3, then you will be up right now. So yeah, hopefully next week um, will be another beautiful week for us. So yeah, just be patient. Let the market come to our setup, and hopefully we could catch another trade. And happy weekend, y'all.